Problem number 3, find the distance between 0.7, -5, and the 0.3, -3. So we'll look at 2 different ways to do this. The first is utilizing the distance formula. And with the distance formula, I want to call first point x1, y1, second point x2, y2, and the distance, d, of the segment that joins these 2 points. The length of the segment that joins these 2 points, or the distance between those 2 points. I like to write the formula like this, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So let's just substitute these values into this formula. x2 is 3 minus x1, which is 7, squared, plus y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is -5, minus -5, squared. And let's just do this arithmetic here. 3 minus 7, that's -4, squared, plus -3 plus 5. -3 plus 5, that's 2, squared. Distance between those 2 points is going to be the square root of 16 plus 4, which is the square root of 20. Not done yet, because you can simplify that radical. 2 factors of 20, where one is a perfect square, the other is not. The largest perfect square factor is 4 times 5. I can split those 2 radicals. And when I do that, I see the square root of 4 I know is 2 radical 5 units. That's the distance between those 2 points. Second approach, you can utilize a graph to do this. I'm going to plot these 2 points. 7, -5 is right there. 3, -3 is right there. Right? 7, -5, 3, -3. I'm going to join these 2 points with a segment. It's hard to do on this tablet. Don't judge me. Doing my best. Okay, so look what I'll do. I'm going to create a right triangle here. Using a vertical segment and a horizontal segment. There's my right angle. This segment here is 1, 2 units long. This segment here is 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. And we're trying to find the length of this segment. I'll call it C. The reason why I call it C is because I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of that third side. So let's call this side A, this leg A, and this leg B. So A squared, 4 squared, plus B squared, 2 squared, equals C squared. 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4. You can see the similarities between this other approach here. 20 is C squared. So to find C, I can probably take the square root of both sides here. C is the square root of 20. And in the same vein as what we did before here, 20 square root of 20 simplifies to be 2 radical 5. That's the length of your third side, or the distance between these 2 points. Either method will get you there.